In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file from Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. To start off, the first thing you need to do is to access Google Drive. Grab your computer, open up your favorite web browser, and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. If you're not, go ahead and sign in. This will ensure you can easily work with your files. Now that we have Google Drive open, we can move on to initiating the upload process. Look over to the left-hand side of your screen where you should see a button labeled New. This is our starting point for uploading a file. Go ahead and click that New button. A menu will pop up with several options. From this options menu, you want to select File Upload. Give that a click. This action will open up a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders. Now, this is where you need to find the specific CSV file that you want to import. Navigate through your folders until you locate that file. Take your time, and once you find it, click on the file to select it, and then hit the Open button. You can keep an eye on the bottom right corner of your screen, where you'll see the upload progress displayed. It shouldn't take too long, depending on the size of your CSV file. Once that upload completes, you'll see a little confirmation message pop up, confirming that your file has been uploaded successfully. At this point, your CSV file will be right there alongside your other files in Google Drive, ready for you to use. This is a great way to manage and store your data, and accessing it through Google Drive can make it easily shareable and accessible from anywhere you have an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into Google Drive. It's a straightforward process once you know where to click and what to do. If you have any questions about the steps or if you're facing any difficulties during the process, feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. So to recap, we accessed Google Drive, started the upload process by clicking the New button, selected File Upload, browsed through our folders to find the CSV file, and confirmed the upload. You see, it really is that simple. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on how to import a CSV file from Google Drive. If you found this video useful, do consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. That way you won't miss out on any future tips and tricks. Happy importing, and I hope to see you in the next video.